Look at that awesome car.
That's a nice car. I'm not really sure what year this Buick Skylark is, but it's a convertible. Gorgeous, huh? Wow. What? Take a picture of your doggy, sorry.
There's one spider here.
Well, I don't want to take a picture of that. No problem. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let's go get some lunch. We're here with Larry Torrez with this beautiful truck here, the Chevy truck. What year is this?
1962.
And are you the original owner of it?
I've had it for 15 years, so I've done a lot of work to it.
Wow. And how many years did it take to actually make it look this gorgeous? All
Probably 15 years, yeah. A lot of work here and there, a little bit at a time.
And I guess this truck is for sale. Is that right?
Yes, it is. It's for sale. I want another project.
You don't mind if I ask how much you're selling it for?
Oh, I'd probably take $16,000 for it.
Well, it's a gorgeous truck, and as you can see by these pictures, that it's worth every penny of $16,000. Thank you so much. God bless. Anyways, I'm JamTone. We're here at Dean Melby's picnic and barbecue and get together here, and it's the 23rd annual Weld County Classic Car Show here at Dean Melby's place, and we're here with Lee Trevino, and he's brought a couple cars with him. He's letting his son play with the hydraulics on it. Are you the original owner of this car?
Not the original, but I've had it for about 12 years.
And how long did it take you to fix it up and make it look this awesome?
3 years. It took me 3 years to rebuild it, yeah. Go ahead and play with the hydraulics, Toby. Drop this side. I gave the car to my son. One condition: he's got to finish school, stay in school, do good grades. He can have the car when he graduates. So the stipulation, that's his car. The only thing, he's got to stay in school and do good for me, and keep on doing good.
That's good. I promised my daughter that if she graduated from high school, I'd buy her a car as well. But she's only in 2nd grade, so we've got a long ways to go.
Yeah, he helped me build the car when he was more in the way than anything else. But he was in the garage helping me work on it, sand it, and everything else. So he kept on saying, "My car, Dad, my car, Dad," and yeah, I guess it is.
And what kind of car is this? What make, model, year?
It's a 1968 Chevy Impala custom.
Well, this is great. We're having a lot of fun here at Dean Melby's place here in Evans, Colorado. How long have you been coming here to Dean Melby's car show?
I've been coming for about the past 8 years. 8 years. So.
Thanks so much. It's been a pleasure, folks.
Thank you very much.
That's Lee Trevino and his son. What's his name?
Toby.
His son Toby. Toby Trevino. Wave, Toby.
Thank you.
Thank you. at Dean Melby's 23rd Annual Classic Car Show and Barbecue in Evans, Colorado. And we have Marvin Ream here with this gorgeous blue Mustang. Marvin, welcome.
Hey, thanks for interviewing me, buddy. Yeah, we've been coming down to Dean's now here probably for about the last 10 years. And it started out as a small deal with a bunch of friends and stuff, you know, and it's actually turned into quite an ordeal where a lot of people come from out of state even to come attend it. So it's a nice deal that Dean puts on here. It's basically just for the cars, you know. I mean, there's no trophies or anything given away, and everybody's, no matter what you bring, everybody's considered equal. And it's just a good time to come down and spend time with family and friends. So that's why we try to come every year, and we mark it on our calendar, so it's every Labor Day weekend, so we're usually here.
Thank you so much, Marvin. Are you the original owner of this Mustang?
No, the original owner is my sister. She bought it brand new in '69 and paid a whopping sum of $2,800 for it brand new. Of course, she's 8 years older than I am, so back in the time, if it would have been my call, I would have had her get the 429 Boss, you know, and it was only like another $1,400 or $1,500. So, but she was the first owner, and I bought it from her. Back in the day when the gas prices were high, she was going to trade it in for a Nissan B210 that got about 35 miles to the gallon. So I asked her what the dealership was going to give her, and she said that they were going to give her $500 for it. So I gave her the money for the car, and since being that I've been the second owner on it, recently had it repainted and everything. The paint was done by a painter named Daryl Shump, and a real close friend of mine that just passed away in July. He and I rebuilt the motor on it and the transmission and everything, and it's more or less like a tribute to him. His name was Cliff Kilgore, so that's why we come every year to celebrate friends that we've lost and we've gained, so that's why we keep coming back.
Yeah, and I don't know if you can't really get that much detail on a video, but I'm really close to it, and I can see there's a lot of really intricate details, and this car has been totally decked out. It's a very gorgeous car, very gorgeous ride, and you can see even there's a lot of stuff that makes it look like it's brand new. There's still a lot of custom stuff. I mean, I see you got some modifications on the interior.
Yeah.
But it's a very nice car. How long did it take you to make it so awesome like this?
About 2.5 years, buddy, and actually it's sporting the same original valve covers and air cleaner I had back in 1976 when I drove the car to high school. So I've changed a few things, but I tried to keep it mostly original, and the things that I know that worked on the car, I've kept it the same way. So, like I said, it's just a driver. We don't enter it in too many car shows. Turns a lot of heads and everything, but the reason we drive it is because it's an older car, and we're just used to having a driver and having fun. You know, it's not about the car show. It's not about winning the trophies. It's just about going and being with friends and family. So that's what we kind of do.
I'm trying to buy a 1973 Volkswagen, and it's really good on gas. I don't know if I'll be able to fix it up as nice as some of these cars. It'll save me a little bit of gas money, and that thing turns heads too. It's an old rusty car, and everybody's like, well, I love your car. Everywhere I go, I get a compliment on this car. But I love your car. Thank you so much, Marvin. I really appreciate it.
Time to talk to me, buddy.
Yeah, man, God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Is there anything else you might want to add? Or
no, like I said, it's just a driver. You just did enjoy it. And
awesome.
Kind of my stock, that way I can just put gas in and stuff.
One more question. Is this car for sale? A lot of them are.
No, I wouldn't sell it because it'd be my sister bought it brand new, and I've got too many memories with friends and stuff that have passed away. So as long as I'm alive, it'll always be in the family. And if something happens to me, I hope my wife passes it down to one of my kids. So we'll see what happens with that. They'll probably sell it.
So you said Dean's been putting this on for a long time, and
23 years.
So you have a lot of good memories of this car show.
Yes, I do. A lot of good memories. Yep. This is the one time where you may not see one of those friends for up until the next year when you come to this event. So I'm sadly unfortunate that's how it happens. But a lot of people have moved on and they've kids and stuff, but we come back because we know that if they're still alive and willing and they can get here, they'll be here. So that's kind of a once a year type deal where we come out and just to meet old friends and hook up again. So.
Well, that's awesome. You know, this is probably the coolest car show in North Colorado, and it's just been really great. 1955. 1955. There's enough space in there. You can actually get your hands in there and work. They don't make things like that anymore. Look at how gorgeous that is. Well, it's kind of hard to see with the Henson's Ghost on there. classic car like this, I'd like it to be in a video interview.